Your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dan Skoff. Certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
Now you got me hungry, Doug, just talking about Mexican food. But here's the total precipitation from this morning. We were feasting on heavy rain amounts. Look at west of Poto, north of Fort Smith, and then west of Fayetteville, about 1.5 inches. That is not the amount of rain that fell yesterday morning. That's what fell this morning as those showers and storms moved through. And what was interesting is the models, yeah, they had this, but they didn't have it as much as what it showed. So it's an example of how computer models, they're not perfect. They don't get all the ingredients right, but they kind of give you an idea of the trends. That's what we've got. We got an idea that it's going to be raining each and every day, at least at times. But like right now, it's not raining. It's totally cloudy out there. It looks like it could rain. Temperatures in the mid-60s, but we don't have any precipitation that's out there. So if you had any evening plans on this Wednesday evening, no problems rain-wise. Now, tomorrow night might be a different story. Not everywhere, but some isolated locations could pick up some showers. I'll break that all down. But there's so many wacky things going on with the weather. First of all, this isn't unheard of, but look at the temperature contrast. 64 in Grove. You got 80 degrees in Fort Smith, and you really don't even have a frontal boundary or a warm front at all. It's way down to the south, and so we're not really seeing that activity popping up. Now, we'll take a look here from the Fort Smith Public Library, and Leslie, it looks like, well, no, we're good. We kicked back in. Here's a look at the precipitation over the next 2 days. You got 75 degrees. Notice a little 20% chance in the early afternoon. This takes enough time, but it's important to let you know the timing of the precipitation. So, first of all, on the left side, that's Thursday. And then notice how it jumps back up to 40% Thursday afternoon. And then by Thursday night into Friday morning, that's our most likely time for rain. After midnight, early Friday. What about 11 o'clock in the morning? Yeah, still some showers possible. I think the lightning activity should be limited. Now, here's the future track. We'll step through this, and this takes a lot of time to explain as well. But here comes energy moving in tomorrow morning. Some shower activity possible. Not everywhere, not super widespread, mostly in northwest Arkansas. That's why the River Valley doesn't really have those rain chances as much. Tomorrow afternoon, shouldn't see much, and then tomorrow night, that's when rain starts to redevelop. In fact, some energy moves in, some thunderstorms going to be pretty likely. We're not looking at severe weather because we really don't have a whole lot of what we call bulk shear, or let's just say jet stream energy. This is what organizes the severe weather potential. Instead, we just have kind of garden variety showers and storms. Here comes the next wave of energy. It's all slow moving. It's all subtle energy. And look at this. You got a giant low that's to the south. That brought the rain this morning. Another system that's going to be missing us to the north. A third system that's to the southwest. A fourth system, fifth system. They're all kind of churning off the west coast of the United States and ejecting through this area. Now, what makes the Memorial Day weekend so rainy is all of that upper level energy that kind of churns over our region. So to break this down for you, we don't know exact timing at this point. It's still too far out. But this model is showing more rain Friday afternoon and into the evening. I kind of don't agree with that, to be honest with you. I think most of the rain Friday will be in the morning hours as that storm system lifts on out. We'll have sinking air behind it. Saturday morning, I do believe that. Saturday evening, a few pop-up showers possible. So just be aware. Download our Weather Authority app. Have the radar handy. You'll probably be hearing some lightning and thunder activity at times, and then you'll see as we go into our Monday, Memorial Day, looks pretty soggy, especially during the afternoon into the evening. And we'll continue that into Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, and so, yeah, just basically wet. That sums it up, Doug, right there. Wet weather over the next several days, but not raining at all times, and I know exact timing is still difficult to determine, but there's a look at the forecast for Memorial Day and beyond. We got 60% for the chance of showers and storms. It's a pesky, slow-moving cutoff low. That's the reason what we'll see all that rain. And then as we go into our River Valley forecast, temperatures, that's not the problem. Mid to upper 70s to lower 80s. It's not super cool. It's not freezing. And morning lows in the mid-60s. Not much of a change there, but all those percentages that are on there, a lot of changes.
Nearly June, it feels like, and we're not even really flirting with the 90s too much.
Yeah.
It's just kind of, is that an odd thing? I mean, I've only got a couple of springs
here. This weather pattern is fairly active, and it's not typical. I mean, yeah, you see severe weather, but it moves out, and then you get nice days. We're not seeing a whole lot of nice days in between the chances of rain.
All right. Thank you, Dan.
Yeah.
Quick break. We're back in a minute.